Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Amazon Ads video generator tool to create some really high quality, high converting ad videos. We'll go over the shoulder in this video in the second part of it. But first, I'm going to tell you all about the super powerful Amazon Ads video generator, and I'll teach you the exact right way to use it for your business. And there's no doubt that video ads drive strong engagement with potential customers. It's a great opportunity for you to showcase your product and show more detail and fully explain what's going on and showcase a happy result like a smiling face using your product, right? Those are always super popular and powerful. And we see that the engagement is always higher with video. We see this across all Amazon ads. And a really popular strategy is to easily and quickly create high converting videos for your Amazon ads using the built-in Amazon Ads video generator tool. It's literally built right into your Amazon Ads account. I'll show you exactly how to get to it. There are definitely some common misconceptions that I hear a lot, though, when it comes to video. And you might be thinking these as well when you think about, oh, well, video is too expensive. Well, that's just simply not the case anymore. I'm going to show you how we could do this super quickly and easily. It's not going to really have any cost at all. It's built right in to your Amazon Ads account. And number two, misconception, requires editing skills. Completely throw that out the window. You don't need any technical skills at all. Misconception number three, takes days or weeks. That's not even close to happening. We're going to be able to literally create some amazing quality videos in just a few clicks. Forget about days or weeks or even hours. It's very simple. And you certainly don't need a team anymore. Misconception number four, no team needed. You just use the video generator tool with Amazon Ads. And there are three video angles that you're always going to want to test. And because you can make videos so easily, there are really no excuses now for you to create the perfect Amazon ad campaigns and have all these different video styles to test. So, for example, you have the problem solution, or you have the show pain, show fix. And this obviously works because it first creates some type of emotional buy-in by clearly illustrating a pain point. Then that exact pain point is relieved by the product, right? Basically, you're showcasing a potential pain point and you're saying, hey, this product is the solution to it. So number one, or video angle A, problem solution, show pain, show fix. This is a must test for your video ads. The second one, B, product in use or a real life scenario. You see these ads all the time, these lifestyle type ads, and this works because you're actually showing the product in a real world scenario. It's going to help the viewer visualize themselves not only buying the product, but using and enjoying the product and feeling that it's trustworthy, that it's relatable, that it will solve their needs. That's the second video angle that you'll want to test. And the third one, C over here, feature highlight or a call out of a key benefit. And this is where you literally call out some very specific, maybe your unique selling proposition or propositions, and you want to tie it directly to a benefit that makes the value very obvious and easy to remember. So if you have like a killer feature or some really cool part of your product, or something that's nice and shiny and the customer always loves paying attention to, this is where you would highlight that in this type of video. And these three videos, they're not going to take you weeks, they're not going to take you months, there's not going to be super expensive, you're not going to need a team because you're going to use Amazon Ads video generator. And you see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend it. It's so powerful, it's also so super easy to use, and it's fully built in to your Amazon Ads experience. It's a part of Amazon Ads creative and video capabilities, and you'll find it right inside your advertising console. So let's go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. This is Amazon's AI-powered video generation tool, and it's super powerful. It's also super easy to use. This is a little bit of a kind of how-to and some information exactly about what it is and how it works and some of the benefits. And you see the link directly below this video. You can kind of go through this at your own pace, but I'm going to show you all of the important things that you need to do and just how easy it is to get started with the video generator tool right here in your Amazon Ads account. So again, all you need to do is have your Amazon Ads account. You come right over here and you see your menu over here. We come to creative tools, and of course these are your various sections of your Amazon Ads account. This is part of the creative tools built into Amazon Ads, and we'll come right over here into Creative Studio. And when we come into Creative Studio, we can see the video generator right over here. We're going to be able to literally go from product to video in one click. It's going to be all AI driven with this powerful tool. And again, it's fully built in. It's totally free. It's part of your Amazon Ads account. We'll come over here and click Generate Videos. And all we need to do is enter in our product. We could either search by product name, or we could just simply copy and paste our ASIN. Okay, I'm going with this 54-inch cat tree over here, and here's the product in more detail. You see all these great product photos and all the different variations and prices and sizes. We're going to go ahead and create this as our video. So we selected the product, right? And guess what? We're going to press Generate. And you're thinking that, well, you might need to do something technical to get great product videos, or you might need to hire someone to get great product videos, or you might have to learn some really complex software. I'm going to show you in just literally a minute how all of this can be done right in front of your eyes with one click. So I'm going to pause this video, come back when this is done in just about a minute. Just like that, we have, in this case, 6 different scenes that were created automatically just by us selecting that product. And something really cool to point out down over here, and you could actually even add more. For example, you could add your logo, but it automatically pulls assets from the product page. These are the exact Amazon images that are on the product page, and we're using them here for the basis of the assets needed for this video. And literally, the video generator does everything else. So let's take a look at some of the videos here.
Create the ultimate multi-level playground paradise that every cat dreams of having. Give your cats the ultimate multi-level playground adventure they truly deserve. Every cat needs their perfect playground. Multiple levels for endless entertainment. Cozy condos for rest and relaxation, built for healthy scratching habits. The perfect tree for happy cats.
All right, so we're getting really amazing quality here. Very, very high quality with also some great creative attached to it. We didn't give any inputs at all.
Transform any space into a cat paradise. Private condos for ultimate relaxation. Multiple levels for endless entertainment. Sisal posts for healthy scratching. The perfect home for happy cats.
So grabbing different benefits directly from the product page, understanding what is going to make this product sell, not just showcasing very good quality video, which it is, right? I think it's worth paying attention to the actual quality here. It looks very authentic. I don't think many people would say that it looks like AI at all. Super high quality production here, but also, again, driving the selling home as well with some of those sales points.
Transform your home into cat paradise. Multiple levels for climbing and exploring. Cozy condos for rest and privacy. Durable sisal posts for healthy scratching. Ultimate cat tree for happy cats.
All right, so these are all around the 6 to 15 second mark, perfect for your Amazon ads. And of course, the Amazon Ads video generator knows that because it's built into Amazon Ads. This isn't a third-party tool or anything like that. Literally built directly in. Let's take a look at another one.
The ultimate cat playground awaits. Private condos for peaceful napping. 3 levels of endless entertainment, built for healthy scratching habits. Everything cats need in one tower.
So you get all of these videos over here, and you could even come over and there are editing capabilities for each one as well.
Every cat dreams of having.
So, for example, let's say you don't like the text, right? We could literally come over here and maybe you have a different slogan for yours. You could say the absolute softest for your beloved cat. Or put whatever you want, right? The absolute softest material. The number one selling soft cat tree. Really whatever you want. Of course, this is going to go right into the video, just like you're editing in real time. It's really, really powerful over here, and the ability to kind of do this, you know, you have full control. If the AI doesn't spit out exactly what you want, or if the text isn't exactly what you want, you could literally come over here and go ahead and change everything down to the individual text over here. So put whatever you want here, even though it was generated over there with whatever it was, we're going to go and make changes over here. So you can also do things like turn off the audio, turn off the voiceover by muting over here. You have full capabilities to edit these videos, and you see each one of these has that ability. Once you find a video that you like, let's say I like this one the best, you can come over here and you could literally come right over to Create Sponsored Brands Campaign. Within one click, this is going to allow you to go ahead and use these videos. Of course, you could use these videos throughout your Amazon ads anytime you're using a video ad placement. So that was Amazon Ads Video Generator Tool. And you see the link directly below this video. You could jump right in. It's literally built in directly into your Amazon Ads account. So you already have access to it, and really there's no excuse for you not to have some really awesome videos for your Amazon product ads. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate. Drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to personally answer each and every single one of them. But otherwise, I hope you jump right into the Amazon Ads Video Generator, make some really high quality, high converting videos, and watch your ads really start performing incredibly well. Hope this helps you make a ton of money, and I'll see ya in my next video.